Here I've got iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select wallpaper, and here simply click on choose a new wallpaper. Now it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be one from the dynamic, stills or live wallpapers, and let me pick stills, and here you've got the possibilities. I will pick this one. And once you want to set this particular wallpaper on your display, click on Set. And finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your lock screen, your home screen, or maybe both of them. And this is what I will do, so I will click on the third option. Now give your device a second, and that's it. As you can see, from now on your brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and also lock screen. Here it is. So that would be all. This is how you can quickly and easily change wallpaper in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.